Keto diet. Have you heard anything about that? How much do you know about the keto diet? What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins diet and the low-carb diet. It works by drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats. This decrease in carbohydrates puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly effective at burning fat for energy. It also turns fats into ketones in the liver, which can provide the brain with energy. Ketogenic diets can cause significant drops in blood sugar and insulin levels. This is accompanied by an increase in ketones. There are several different types of the keto diet, including Standard Ketogenic Diet (SKD). This is a low-carb, medium-protein, and high-fat diet. It typically contains 75% fat, 20% protein, and only 5% carbohydrates. Cyclic Ketogenic Diet (CKD). This diet includes periods of high-carb replenishment, such as 5 keto days followed by 2 high-carb days. Targeted Ketogenic Diet (TKD). This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. High-protein ketogenic diet. It's similar to a standard ketogenic diet, but contains more protein. The ratio is usually 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. Periodic or targeted ketogenic diets are among the more advanced techniques and are primarily used by bodybuilders or athletes. Moreover, the diet is full of satiety so that you can lose weight without counting calories or keeping track of how much you eat. One study found that people who follow the keto diet lose 3 times more weight than those who follow a regular diet. As for the benefits of the keto diet, they are many, such as weight loss, lowering blood pressure. It makes the aging process slower. Improve sleep and mood. Increase energy efficiency. The ketogenic diet actually originated as a tool for treating neurodegenerative diseases such as epilepsy. Studies have now shown that the keto diet can have benefits for a variety of different health conditions, such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, polycystic ovary syndrome, brain injuries, acne. Now here are the 16 foods you should eat on the keto diet. 1. Seafood. 2. Low-carb vegetables. 3. Cheese. 4. Avocado. 5. Meat and poultry. 6. Eggs. 7. Coconut oil. 8. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. 9. Olive oil. 10. Nuts and seeds. 11. Berries. 12. Butter and cream. 13. Shirataki noodles. 14. Olives. 15. Unsweetened tea and coffee. 16. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. There are also foods that should be avoided, such as any food rich in carbohydrates, sugary foods such as soda, fruit juice, juices, cake, ice cream, candy, etc. Grains or starches such as wheat-based products, rice, pasta, grains, etc. Fruits, all kinds of fruits, except for some such as strawberries. Beans or legumes such as peas, beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Root vegetables and tubers such as potato, sweet potato, carrot, parsnip, etc. Diet products are low-fat. They are highly processed and often high in carbs. Some condiments or sauces, it often contains sugar and unhealthy fats. Unhealthy fats, you should reduce your intake of processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. Alcohol. Ultimately, in order to get the most out of the keto diet, you must eat foods rich in healthy fats. And limit your carbohydrate intake to less than 30 to 50 grams per day. And if you stick to this, you will reap the very impressive benefits of the ketogenic diet, especially for health and weight loss. Ketogenic diets can also reduce risk factors for metabolic diseases and even fight diseases like type 2 diabetes and obesity. At the end of the video, I hope you have taken advantage of it. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see all new videos. Cool Times channel. Subscribe now.